And hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel, JC Ruzzi. Today what I want to talk about is a quick brief overview of affiliate marketing, right? What is affiliate marketing? So in a nutshell, all right, and in layman's terms, it's pretty simple when you think about it. An affiliate marketer is a middleman. You're kind of like a salesman, right? There's a product or service that needs to be sold, and then you have a customer that may want to buy it or not, right? So your whole purpose in life as an affiliate marketer is to put the product or service in front of the right customer group or the right base group, and then if they make a decision to buy, then you get a commission as a result. And some of them are big ticket items, you get a big commission. Some of them are small, you make a small commission, and some of them have reoccurring commissions, right? If a person has some type of subscription and your buyer ends up getting on the subscription for months and months to come, then you'll be good to go. All right, so that at a basic level is what an affiliate marketer is. Okay, so what are one of the first things that affiliate marketer needs to do? You need a product, right? Let's click over here. All right, so product, right? Product is the very first thing that you need to do, and there's plenty of places you can get a product, right? You have Clickbank, you have JVZoo, you have Warrior Plus, but I think the easiest one by far to get products ready to go is Clickbank. So let's go to Clickbank real quick. I already got it pulled up here. So when you get to Clickbank, to the Clickbank page, right? Oh, log me out. When you get to the Clickbank page here, one of the first things you want to do is you want to go to the marketplace. Now, if you look over here on the left, right, I told you guys I want to be transparent. All right, I haven't made any sales this week. This is zeros. So if I make any sales, you'll start seeing numbers here, right? If I make any sales, throughout the last few weeks, you're going to see numbers there as well. So if you're just like me and you're starting out, and I've been doing this for a little while, and still sometimes it's hard to get these numbers on the screen. All right, those are zeros. So that's what we're going to try to accomplish, and that's what we're going to try to build so we can start making money. So where do you go for that, right? You go to the marketplace. You click on the marketplace over here really quick, and I'm just going to show you really fast. If you don't know what it is that you want to get, you look down here on the left on the niche section, right? And all these categories are products that somebody has to sell for somebody, for you to put in front of, for somebody to buy. All right. So if you just click the question mark here or the search button here, what's going to pop up automatically is some of the most popular things that are selling right now. So right now, the Cinderella solution, the Hawkeye diabetes, and the flat belly fix are some of the things that are selling. All right. Now, what you want to do is you want to sort whatever it is by the gravity, right? And I'll explain gravity in a second. So you go here to popularity, you click gravity, right? And then the gravity score, if you look at it right here on the screen, gravity 426 for the Cinderella solution. So what does that mean to you and me? That means that 426 people are making money promoting the Cinderella solution. Okay? So as you scroll down, you'll see that this diabetes remedy, you got, where's the gravity? 316 people are making money selling the Hawkeye diabetes remedy. And then whatever this is here. Oh my God, new manifestation magic mega hit generates massive EPCs, right? Earnings per click. All right. And that one has a gravity of 222. All right. So this is where you kind of get your products, right? So I'm going to kind of fly through this real quick, because in this video I just want to go over the basics. As we go, I'll spend more time talking about the marketplace and how it works and whatnot. Okay, so what is the next thing that you need as an affiliate marketer? Now, when I say you need these things, it's because you need tools, right? Yes, you can make money. Yes, this is a business. Yes, you're going to have to spend some money to make some money. Okay, so when we go for product, the next thing that you need as an affiliate marketer is a funnel, right? So there's many funnel systems out there, right? Probably the best ones that are out there is a funnel called ClickFunnels, right? And if you've been around for a while, you know that ClickFunnels has been there. ClickFunnels is pretty good. It's got everything set up and everything that you could possibly need for a funnel. So now you're asking me, well, Jose, why do I need a funnel, right? The reason you need a funnel is one of the biggest mistakes that new affiliate marketers do is, let's say I wanted to promote this deal here, right? I got signed up in Clickbank. I hit promote. It pops up the screen. I hit generate my hop link. Then I copy and paste my hop link right here, and then I blast it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, you name it. Wherever I can throw this link, I throw this link, and people are like, what the heck's going on? All of a sudden, Johnny, Bobby, or Susie is spamming me with these links for this product that I don't even care about, right? So that's one of the big problems that people do when they first get in here, right? And so why do I need a funnel? Okay, the reason you need a funnel is because you're using that funnel to capture the email of the person that is interested in this product. Okay, now I have an offer, and I don't even call it an offer. Okay, I have a free funnel system that I've been using for a long time now, probably for 2 years. And when I say it's free, it's absolutely free. Is there an upsell when you click on the link to go in there? Yeah, they're going to try to upsell you, but you don't really need it. I mean, if you really want to, it's a pretty cool system. So on the bottom of the link, there'll be a description to this video so you guys can check it out, or to the link to Kypron. So Kypron was started by a guy named Kevin Hokoana. He's a retired Air Force guy living in Japan, or he was living in Japan when he started it, but he has this set up where you can get free funnel systems, right? So I'm going to log into my funnel account, my Kypron account here, just so you guys can see it. All right, and what I love about this program is that all these funnels, I paid for it when I was subscribing to his program, but I have not paid for it since then, right? So if you look through here, these are a lot of the old stuff that I've been doing throughout the years, and I can show you quickly. Like one of the programs I got out there right now is this affiliate marketing with John Crestani, which pays very well, by the way. I can go in here, and if I want to view my opt-in page, I click it, and there's my opt-in page, right? And it shows you how to build all these funnels. And once again, like I said, it's absolutely free. Okay, so there'll be a link to that in the description below. If you don't have a funnel, you need a funnel. This is a very basic funnel system. It's very user-friendly, and you can get that going until you can afford to do something more like ClickFunnels, right? Because that's going to cost a little bit more money. Okay. So funnels are very important. You're going to use these funnels to capture the information. And if you look down here in the tags, I know that when I use this funnel, any lead that I catch here is going to have a tag saying this was the Clickbank John Crestani program that I was trying to use. Sorry, I was coughing. All right, so John Crestani was there. Okay, so what is the next thing that you're going to use? Okay, the next thing that you're going to need, without a shadow of a doubt, is an autoresponder. Okay, and if you don't know what an autoresponder is, an autoresponder, if you've ever applied to any of these get rich quick or make money online offers, and you click the link and you put in your email, then you start getting those emails every day, every other day, and you keep getting them for a month, right? Well, the reason you get that is because they say that most of your sales aren't going to be made until somebody sees it 7 times, right? 7 times. So they got to look at that offer 7 times before they make that decision that they want to buy it, okay? Because they're being inundated by offers all over the time. So back to what I said in the beginning, if you're the guy or girl that goes in here and you click the promote button and then you don't get a funnel and you don't use an autoresponder, people that may be interested in that product, you'll never know because you have no way of tracking them. You have no way of knowing who clicked on your link and if they decided to make a purchase or not, right? You just kind of lost that lead forever. And the reason you want those leads is they're very important, right? They say the money's in the list. And what they mean by that is if you got a list of people that have clicked on make money online opportunities, maybe that opportunity that you put in front of them this time, they didn't like it. Maybe they're looking for something else. So when you have another opportunity, if you have this list, now these people have subscribed to you and you can send them your next opportunity, right? Whenever you're done. So what I use is Aweber. So Aweber is one that's out there. I've used GetResponse before. And if you get set up with Kypron has their own autoresponder. The last time I checked on it, I didn't think it was working, but feel free to use it and see if it works for you. If not, just like everything else, there'll be a link in the description for Aweber at the bottom of this video. So if you don't have an autoresponder, you need one and you got to get one. This is just one of the tools that you need. Now what's great about this, there's a product I'm promoting right now. You guys can see up here is a 12-minute affiliate. And what I like about it is not only do you get different lists, right? You create those emails that I was telling you about. So the best part about this is these are all my follow-up emails, right? Just for this one program, 14 of them, right? And the way it's set up is they click, they put in their information, and then as soon as they put in their information, they get this first email from me. And then a day after, they get this one. And then a day after, they get this one. And in each one of these emails, I'll show you real quickly. If you look in here, you'll see in the email, take a little time, all right? And it's just a very canned email. It has a link to my affiliate link, right? And they click on there, and it goes to the web page. It clicks here. It goes to my it goes to my Clickbank account. From my Clickbank account, I capture the email there. I also capture the email on Aweber, and then Aweber will start sending these emails out, right? So I can be literally at home in bed, and the emails are going out when they need to go out, and I don't even have to worry about it, right? It's set, rinse, and repeat, okay? So this is why you need this account, right? You need an Aweber account, or you need a GetResponse account, but you need an autoresponder, right? And back to the offers, if you go back to the offers, all these offers, if it's good, already have pre-made email swipes for you. So literally all you're doing is copying and pasting the information, replacing your own links, and you're good to go, right? It's turnkey. It's that simple, okay? And the final and last thing that everybody needs is traffic, okay? Traffic. So here's the catch. You can go on Facebook, you can go on YouTube ads, you can go on all these places to try to get people to your link. But at the end of the day, if you don't have any traffic and you can't put this in front of people, you've exhausted your friends and families and your coworkers, and anybody that knows you is driving you nuts. Nobody's going to buy your stuff, right? Nobody's going to buy it. Go on to one of those Make Money Online pages on Facebook and see how many offers are there, okay? So I'm going to talk about solo ads, right? So I go through this company called Udemy Solo Ads, right? And I'll show you my solos, right? So basically the way it works is you come in here, you hit these solo deals, and all these guys are selling tier 1 traffic, okay? If you don't know what tier 1 traffic is, leave a question or comment down in the description, or leave a comment down below and I'll answer. Speaking of which, any questions you guys have, leave a comment down below and I will answer them to the best of my ability. And if I don't, we'll find the answer. But anything that you have any question about in this video, anything you didn't really understand in this video, anything you want to learn more about in this video, just leave a comment below and I'll respond, and we'll take it step by step. Right? My next web series is going to start out with the very first product, right? And we'll do a deep dive into the product and see what it is that we need in the product. Okay. But basically the way this works is this guy right here, he says he has 100% tier 1 traffic, bonus 15%, meaning that he's going to give you 15% above the clicks, and he's selling his for 40 cents a click, okay? So if I were to click on this page, let's say I wanted to buy traffic from this guy, it's automatically going to jump up to 1,000 visitors, right? Scroll it down to 100. Buy as many as you can. If you can buy 300 a pop, buy 300 a pop, right? And if you buy 300 a pop, see my link page is in there. It cost me $123. And what this means is this guy's going to put my offer in front of 300 people. Now, this is where it gets good, right? These guys target make money online opportunity people from all over the world, right? And some of our offers are worldwide. So what's good about this is it'll be put in front of 300 people, and I'm capturing these emails and this information on these people, right? And I'm building my list because I don't get rid of those emails, right? These are targeted emails that go to people that are looking for offers, right? So it's going to take a little while to build up, but the thought process here is if you make a couple sales, you'll make that $123 back, and you need to turn around and reinvest it into your business, okay? So you can build your list and you can start making money, okay? So that's going to wrap it up for today. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed what I had to put out here. I know it was a lot of information. It was really quick. I just wanted to give you the basics, the basic lowdown on what you needed. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I think it's on this side. I'm not sure what side it's on. Okay, and tell your friends. And if you got any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, Thanks.